Hey Denise, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I can read minds, and the answer is, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have when hiring somebody is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Ashley, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. It has to be unique content and it cannot be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. You guys need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. I pulled your site up here and you can see that you guys have roughly 150 words, and all of this highlighted right here, that's all considered content. Even what these pictures are all saved as, these are also considered content. And in the eyes of Google, content is king because Google can only read. So the more content you have, the better. So I pulled up a general search in your area. I did massage therapy in Spring, Texas. And you can see I found these guys down here and the organic section, Urban Day Spa, and I pulled them up because I wanted to see what type of content they had, and they have roughly, honestly they don't have much more, they have maybe 200 words if that. Very beatable. I'm gonna go back to this general search I did, and I'm just going to break down Google for you. Google is broken down into 3 different sections. There's the ads, the GMB, and the organic section. The first thing that we usually see up here at the top is ads. They're not there right now, but that's usually what's up here. And people are paying Google to have those ads, and if they're not done correctly, it can definitely become a money pit. And honestly, if you're ranking in the other areas that I'm about to show you, it's unnecessary to run them. I'm going to go down, well, don't need to go down much, but the next section here, this is the GMB, the Google My Business, and what dictates you ranking in these top 3 positions here is a citation. A citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories, such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, City Star, even Facebook is one of them. Also having reviews and pictures. You've got to stay up to date with this area here in order to stay in this top 3 positions. And as you can see, wellness, Thai massage, and day spa is in that top position. And as I said, you want to be somewhere in these top 3 positions here. I know when I go to Google, this is the first place I'm looking. So we go over here to a resource that I use called Whitespark CA. It's a local citation finder. It's a paid tool that I use monthly. But we can see your citations. You have 18 citations, and Wellness, Thai, Massage, and Day Spa has 43 citations. And once again, that's beatable. But the nice thing about this is we can go into Wellness, Thai, Massage, and Day Spa, and we can see all of the citations that they have. Not all citations are created equal, 100 being the highest and 1 being the lowest. The domain authority is how, what the ranking is and how strong that citation is. 97's good, 96, 93. So all these red ones that we see, these are all, I don't know why it's not popping up, there it goes. All these red ones that we see, they're all submittable. So we would go in and we would submit all these higher ranking citations. We would submit them for your business. What works for them will work for you. But I'd also like to go in and add 80 to 100 more to really swamp out that competition. Plus it gets your name, address, and phone number in other directories so that people can find you when they're searching for your service. Let's go back to the general search that we did and move down to the next visible section that I wanted to go over. And down here, this is considered the organic section. And this section here directly has to do with your website. And what gets you ranked in this area is backlinks. A backlink is a link created when one website links back to your website. In Google's eyes, it's kind of like a vote from that other website vouching that your website is trustworthy and legit. Just like a citation, backlinks are also not created equal. For example, you're a massage therapist. So if you were to have a Pizza Hut linking back to you, it's not going to be as powerful as having another massage therapist from a different area linking back to your site. You want the most relevant backlinks linking back to your business for the most effectiveness. And as you can see, your site is not first, and this is, or even on the first page. And this is where you want to be. And to get you there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. You can see that Urban Day Spa is the first actual website. The other ones are just directories. So we go over here to another resource that I use called ARefs. And ARefs shows me a basic overview of your stats. I put you in here and I put Urban Day Spa in here. And here we can see you have 86 backlinks pointing to your site. You have 46 keywords, and your UR, which is the strength of your overall page, is 21. And your DR, which is your domain rating, is the strength of your website's backlink profile compared to others on a 100-point scale, is 55. Now you want your UR and your DR to be as close as possible. A 1-to-1 ratio is considered the golden ratio. And let's go over to your competition, Urban Day Spa, and you can see that they have 333 backlinks linking to their profile. They have 1,000 keywords, their UR is 30, and their DR is 5, which is beatable with time. We can go into the referring domains, and we can see all the different places that Urban Day Spa, if this would load, is getting their backlinks from. Come on. There it goes, finally. So we can see where Urban Day Spa is getting all of their backlinks from. And the DR is the domain rating. That's how strong this backlink is. 80 is great, 55 is great, 0, being not so good, and 100 being high. So like I said, 80, 59, 48, and we would go in and we'd get all of these stronger backlinks and we would submit them for your site, bringing all that traffic to your website. We go back to the overview. We can go into their keywords. Right here is all the different keywords. Urban Day Spa, Days Spas near me, massages in Spring, Texas, and now the volume is how many times that specific keyword is being searched each month. Now the KD is the keyword difficulty, meaning how hard it is to rank for that specific keyword. 0 being the easiest, which means not many websites have this keyword or whichever keyword. More specifically, this right here, Urban Day Spa, 0. And then 100 being the hardest, which means there are a bunch of people trying to rank for that specific keyword. And what we would do is we would go through, for instance, these right here, both of these. Massages in Spring, Texas. These are both great. These keywords are both being searched 1,000 times per month. And the difficulty to rank them is only a 1 and a 2. Those are both great. And you miss out on these by not being number 1. But like I said, we'd go through and we find all the high volume, low KD ones, and we would place those throughout that 1,500 words on your homepage. you need one keyword per every 100 words so Google doesn't flag your site for keyword stuffing. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Citations, let's go up. Citations, which is your name, address, and phone number listed across different directories across the web. You want to have at least 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide, and also get your name out there in different directories so people can find you easier. And then the third thing we talked about was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you with today and do it on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effectiveness and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Ashley, and my phone number is 570-240-5257. If you want to text me, that number is 570-536-4151. I look forward to hearing from you, Denise. I hope you have a great one.